how to delete apps from your Apple library. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete apps from your Apple library, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to delete the applications from your Apple library, it's actually quite very simple to do so. So let's say you have applications on your home screen, but you also have the applications on your app library. So if you want to delete a certain app on app library, if you just long press on a certain app like this, you can see there is no option. So instead, what we have to do here is we can just go to the app library section, search for a certain app that we want to delete, then long press on the icon, not the name but the icon over here. Now once you long press on the icon, there you'll find the delete app button, and now you can simply completely delete the applications from your iPhone. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically delete apps from your app library on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.